I don't know how you have spent your Christmas, but it is arguably or has been a low-key event highlighted normally with a lot of people getting together in previous years and making merry with what they have. And this, of course, has been due to the ravaging impact of the coronavirus. Now, with the government set to withdraw its tax relief in just a week's time, coupled with reopening of schools in less than a fortnight, NTV's Seth Olale shows how many Kenyans will have to brace for the economic impact.
Wherever you are, this Christmas has been a special one. And it's not necessarily the good type of special. The festivities under the COVID-19 pandemic have been defined with restrictions and strains. How people observed this day with friends and family, if at all, varies, but it has all been under a cloud of heavy economic times. In Nairobi, thousands of city dwellers who couldn't afford to travel up country to celebrate with their relatives preferred visiting public recreational facilities such as Uhuru and Central Parks.
Mwaka uliopita ilikuwa nzuri, at least kulikuwa na pesa, but hii mwaka tangia mwezi wa 3 corona itangazwe, yenyewe tumekuwa kwa hali ngumu. Mtu kama mimi nimeshinda hapa, sijakula chochote, nimeshinda tu na maji. But nashukuru tu Mungu nimefika salama, but haijakuwa sawa, imekuwa ngumu kweli.
Watu wengi hawajaweza kusafiri kwa sababu kienda kule country pass fares zimekuwa mingi.
In Busia County, revelers limited themselves to comparatively minimal celebration at various entertainment spots within the border town. A significant decrease in the number of shoppers can be noticed, with a few showing up prioritizing purchase of textbooks and other school-related materials ahead of next month's school reopening in January.
Customers wako chini.
Hapa kwa sasa hamungekuwa mnapata space. Watu wangekuwa wamejaa wanafanya shopping. Lakini angalia hakuna watu hawafanyi shopping, watu wananunua vitabu tu kidogo kidogo ya watoto kurudi shule.
Chumi maadhiri watu sana, na pia kuna mambo na school fees ambayo iko ahead of us.
Sasa hakuna vile unaweza kachangamka na una pesa. Christmas ni pesa.
Watu hawapati pesa vile walikuwa, wengine waliachishwa kazi. Biashara ikarudi chini.
Since the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic in Kenya in March this year, the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics estimated that 1.7 million workers lost their jobs by June 2020, with young people being the hardest hit by layoffs. Many employees from both the private and public sectors who survived the axe were forced to take pay cuts, prompting the government to introduce tax reliefs. There's a bleak forecast of the year ahead, with revocation of income and value-added tax cuts meant to cushion Kenyans from the impact of the coronavirus crisis.
Kazi ile tunafanya vibarua, wale wako kwa vibarua, pesa ndiyo hakuna, migomo hapa na pale, imeleta changamoto.
Tax cuts put aside, the nationwide schools reopening slated for 4th of January 2020 is another financial load to be borne by parents and guardians. Nothing much really to merry about now, is there? Seth Olale, NTV.